Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss on how to change a mixed number to improper fraction. So number one, we have 2 and 3/4. So anong gagawin natin? First, we need to multiply the denominator to the whole number. So we need to multiply. So 4 times 2, that is 8. Then i-add natin sa numerator. Then 4 times 8, the result we will add to the given numerator. So 8 plus 3, that is 11, over copy the denominator. So that is 4. And next one, number 2, we have multiply the denominator to the given whole number. So that is 5 times 2, that is 10. Then 10 plus the given numerator. So that is 10 plus 1 equals 11, over the given value of the denominator, which is 2. So the answer is 11 over 2. And number 3, we have 5 times 3, that is 15. I-add natin yan sa numerator, that is 15 plus 4, that is 19, over just copy the denominator, which is 5. And this one, number 4, we have 3 times 4, that is 12. So 12 plus 2, that is equivalent to 14 over 3. So that is the improper fraction. So when we say improper fraction, the value of the numerator is greater than the value of the denominator. Next, we have number 5. We have, for example, we have 5 and 1/2. I-change natin yan into improper fraction. Again, we need to multiply the denominator to the given whole number, which is 5. So 2 times 5, that is 10. Then i-add natin yan sa numerator. So that is 11 over 2. Kopyahin lang natin yung value ng denominator. Then number 6, we have 3 and 5 over 7. So this one, we need to multiply 7 times 3, that is 21, plus 5, so that is 26 over the denominator, which is 7. Then this one, try to answer. We have 6 and 5 over 7. So just comment your answer down below. Just comment your answer.